Hi everyone, please organize your needle formation before starting the tutorial as directed in this picture. So first of all, once you have your needle formation sorted, we're going to do the E-wrap cast on. So between each of our needles we have a 2 needle gap, and our formation is 3 1 3 1 3. So once you've completed that, hook your yarn back into your carriage and knit 2 rows. Push your needles out every time you knit just to help your stitches knit correctly. Once you've knitted your 2 rows, we're going to attach 3 weights, one on each outer edge and one in the middle. As you're knitting, you need to move your weights up as these stitches do tend to drop off and it would damage the knitting if they do. So now start pushing out the needles that you want to tuck. It's the needle between the 3 needles and both of the single needles. Knit 3 rows with the carriage in the hold position, and then on the 4th row put the right side of the carriage into knit and knit 1 row. Okay, so then you put the carriage back into hold, you push out all those needles again, exactly the same. We will now knit 3 rows with the carriage in hold, and now we'll place the right side of the carriage into knit and knit 1 row. Okay, so now we're just going to repeat the process. So push out the needles again and put your carriage into hold. You knit 3 rows, making sure each of your needles knit each time. So now knit your final row with the needles in hold, and then put the carriage into knit and knit the 4th row. So that is basically the knit stitch that we're doing in this tutorial. So we're just repeating these 4 rows each time. Okay, and this is our final product. Thank you for everyone who's liked and subscribed to my channel. You're my heroes.